After reviewing 307 photographer portfolio and Webshop, I identified a recurring issue. These websites predominantly use a masonry layout. It's not a section of the site, it's the entire website. Masonry layout may be visually appealing for showcasing your photograph, but it's crucial to remember the primary goal of a website. Your site should guide visitors towards hiring you or purchasing your product. Your website should behave like a funnel that will take your visitors from consideration to making a sale. If your entire website is a masonry layout, it will fail to answer the 4 crucial questions for your visitors. Providing immediate answers to these questions is vital. These answers will determine whether your visitors stay or leave your website. If you can keep them on your site, you can persuade them to hire you or buy your prints or presets. When visitors land on your website, they should know who you are, what you do, how can you help them, and what they need to do next. Your answers will determine whether they stay or leave. You should answer these questions as if the visitors have never heard of you. Your logo answers who are you. Your main headline or highlighted headline answers what you do. Your subheadline tells the visitors how you can help them. The call to action buttons answers what the visitor needs to do next. This allows visitors to understand your website in seconds. If you don't address these questions, visitors will struggle to understand your business. Failing to answer even one could lower your conversion rate. I'll show you an example of how you can answer these questions on your website. Additionally, 2 more things need to fall into place: fonts and colors. Fonts are crucial when building a website, as a wrong choice can ruin the visitor's experience. Take Papyrus for example. It gives a friendly vibe, but it feels outdated and carefree, which doesn't instill confidence. At smaller sizes, its texture and irregularity makes it less legible. Since most of the text on the website is smaller, it won't be a good fit. It would be best to have something modern, professional, and approachable. Rubik font fits this description with its clean and contemporary aesthetic. Its slightly rounded edges gives your website a friendly and inviting feel. This approachability can enhance engagement and attract new clients. Rubik is legible in smaller sizes. Ensuring visitors understand your message is vital for effective communication. Choosing the right colors can make or break your website. Colors significantly impact how your visitors feel. For example, golden yellow with purple may appear striking, but these together can overwhelm visitors and hinder readability due to harsh contrast. Selecting a palette that enhances user engagement without causing fatigue is essential. Instead, a sunny orange and forest green palette for the photographer's portfolio website offers a harmonious balance. Sunny orange mimics golden hour lighting conditions perfect for photo shoots, infusing the design with liveliness and energy, conveying warmth and friendliness. Forest green symbolizes growth and renewal, communicating to your visitors that hiring you is a step towards their growth. When used for key buttons and links, forest green naturally draws attention to them. This encourages interactions and could improve your conversion rate. Thoughtful use of colors boosts aesthetics and functionality, improving user experience for your photography website. Let me demonstrate how you can implement this using my website design template for a photographer portfolio and webshop. The logo identifies who you are. Next to it should be a user-friendly navigation to aid visitors in browsing your website. I have divided the hero section into 2 columns. On the left, the highlighted headline clearly states your specialized field. In this example, it is landscape and nature photographer, immediately informing visitors of the kind of photography you specialize in. The headline intrigues the visitors, setting the stage for the subheadline to expand on your service details. The subheadline explains how you can assist potential clients. Directly below it, we have our action button. The primary button encourages visitors to hire you for a project, and the secondary button suggests checking out your prints. If you sell presets instead of prints, you can change this text depending on your offer. On the right, I have placed a gallery to showcase your best images. I purposely opted to add a gallery instead of a photograph of the photographer. This decision will be apparent when you see what I have added to the second section. The gallery gives your visitors a glimpse into your portfolio. If you don't want to do all this yourself and want to pre-build solution, buying this 10-page mobile responsive website design template can save a lot of time. The link is in the description. Since most users only scroll through first few sections, the following two are very important to get it right. For the second section, I decided that selling products was more important. Since I'm also in the service industry, I know we can take on only so many projects. You can increase your income by selling prints or presets without taking on more clients. This is why I added a gallery above so the visitors can see your work as soon as they land on the website. This lets us use the second section to sell products. Choose the products with the highest conversion rate for a best-selling section here. Now's the perfect time to introduce yourself to your website visitors. This About section is your chance to build a rapport with them, express your personality or tout your accomplishments. I have added this section here to enhance your credibility, nudging them to hire you. After we have built rapport, we can introduce them to your services. I have ensured they can contact you for a particular service. Next, there is a section where you can showcase your work for previous clients. Add a link to where they can read detailed case studies. Your visitors will learn about the results your clients received after hiring. This can lead them to consider hiring you for similar results. Next, it's time to let your clients persuade the visitors to hire you based on their testimonial. These positive reviews provide social proof and build trust. After testimonials, we'll lead them to a section where they can request a quote from you. Next, we'll have a section where we promote your social media. This would encourage them to follow you and stay updated on your work. The page ends with a footer with a brief description of your business, links to key pages, and other social media handles. Now your website functions as a funnel, guiding visitors to hire you for a project or buy your products. If you don't want to do all this yourself and want to save a lot of time, you can buy this 10-page mobile responsive website design template. The link is in the description.